Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Tron. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high. And now we can also plot in our monthly swing low, as we see multiple rejections to the lowest point prices reached. We also notice a key level right here, where price came up, hit, and reversed, and as price came back up, we've seen a reaction to the level before price broke through. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So, here on the weekly chart, look at what we see. We see a double top pattern forming at the key monthly level. So, we're going to fine tune this to the weekly candle closes. Now, we also notice a key level right here. This price came up, hit, reversed, acting as resistance before breaking through, and then we see multiple reactions to the level acting as support. And we notice on the most recent price action, we can see a long, high volume breakout candle. Now, we also notice a key level right here. This price reacting as support and as resistance. So, we can also plot in a key level right here, as we see these two reactions acting as resistance. Now, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.